Hi students, in this class we see elementary concepts of vector algebra. In physics we study so many quantities. Some quantities possess magnitude, some quantities possess both magnitude and direction. For example, see here we are having a weighing scale. It shows that the weight of the person is approximately 34 kg. Right, it has only magnitude, that is the number or quantity. Here you see the thermal scanner. It shows the temperature of the body approximately 36.7 degree Celsius. This is also has only magnitude. Here you see it is a speedometer. It shows the speed at which the car is running. For example, it may show 100 km per hour. Right, it is also having only number, magnitude. Right, so all these quantities are having only a magnitude. So those quantities which has only magnitude is known as scalar. Simply, a scalar is a property, right, which can be described only by magnitude. So it is a property that can be described only by magnitude. So it has no direction. For example, we have seen that one is mass. Mass is an example of scalar. Then we saw temperature. Temperature is also a scalar because it has only magnitude. Then speed. Speed is an example for scalar. It has only magnitude of 100 km. Then we can say time. These are all the quantities which has only magnitude. So scalar is a property that can be described by only magnitude. But you see the one more quantity here I have shown, right? For example, suppose a person who is in South America wants to come to India. So how they will come? They have to travel in northeast direction and approximately 5,000 kilometers. So how they will say how they travel to India? They will say that we have to travel 5,000 kilometers in northeast direction. Then only we can reach India. Like that they will talk. So this quantity which is talking about both magnitude and direction. So that is called vector. So vector is a property which can be described by both what? Magnitude and direction. So vector has both magnitude and direction. That is very important. For example, we have seen that displacement. Displacement means in what speed that fellow has traveled and in what direction. So displacement has both magnitude and direction. So it is a vector quantity. Similarly, force, right? That is also a vector quantity. It is talking about how much push or pull you are doing towards particular direction. How much force you are giving to moving an object in a direction, right? Then, right, velocity. What is velocity? Rate of change in position of position of the object, right? So how object is changing its position at what rate? So in which direction it comes, in which speed it will come, right? So what speed it will come. So it has both magnitude and direction. So these are all the quantities, and extra you can say that acceleration. These are all the quantities which is vector in nature. Okay. Now we saw what is scalar and vector. Now we have to see that how you denote vector, because scalar is just a number, but vector is a quantity which has both magnitude and direction. So how can you denote vector? A vector A can be represented by the A with the arrow mark above. So this you can pronounce as vector A, right? So we know that vector has both magnitude and direction. How do you find what is the meaning of magnitude of the vector? You can call magnitude of vector as a norm of the vector. So norm means what? Norm means magnitude. Norm of vector means magnitude of vector, right? So vector magnitude is represented by modulus symbol. This is nothing but norm of a vector or magnitude of vector, that is denoted as modulus. This symbol is known as modulus symbol. Hope you have studied this in 10th standard. Right? Modulus means what? It gives the magnitude. So mod A means magnitude of vector A. Clear? So vector, how can we represent vector in geometrical or pictorial form? Vector is simply represented by a line segment with the arrow mark. So this is a representation of vector in geometrical means. So I can say it is a vector, b vector, c vector, something like that. So arrow mark, a line segment with the arrow mark is known as vector. It is a algebraic notation. This is magnitude of the vector. Clear? Modulus means magnitude of the vector. That's all about this session. If you are having any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify all your doubts. Thank you.